Hey guys, this is Pop and this is
Mason.
And Mason, what are we doing today?
Building a rocket.
What? Building a rocket? That's right. We're going to put a rocket together. It's a flying.
We thought it has an engine in it. You have to go get the engine.
It has an engine in it. We're going to be doing a flying model rocket today. We're going to do the taser today. So we're going to see how we can get this.
Ow.
So right now we're going to put it together. We're going to open it up. You can see that it's got its own launch pad and a remote. This is the altitude that it's going to take. We only have a smaller engine on it. We're going to do the C83 on it. So it'll probably go about 500 feet or so. But anyway, we're going to open it up. We're going to see what we got. And we're going to start putting it together. And hopefully we can fly this thing straight and see what happens.
Don't go.
Huh? Something came loose. All right, you gotta push both buttons down. Oh, yeah. There it goes.
Let's go!
So here we are, we're getting ready to shoot the rocket off again. John is gonna shoot it off. He's having some fun today.
Well, that's a good thing. Stayed intact.
It lost altitude. Because it was still firing when it come down. So I guess that kink in it really. Yeah. It's hit the ground a few times because the parachute has come loose. So we're seeing that it's not wanting to fly straight. All right, go, man.
Launching.
There goes the parachute.
It broke.
It just snapped the rope because it didn't have any. The rubber come off of it. That's all. All right. So we learned something.
Always try hard. Never give up.